Hello, everyone, and welcome to this episode of the show. On this episode of the show, I am going to be revealing to you probably the juiciest property deal along the Lagos Calaber coastal road. I know you've been seeing lots of infrastructure updates, you've been seeing a whole lot of controversy in and out, but let's practically, from a business point of view and from an investor point of view, look at as it is now, as the road and the parts of the road are completed, which real estate development, which real estate projects will probably give you the best return on investment. And I'm going to be zeroing in on the Paramount Twin Tower, which is also called the PPT. And this is it's just 500 meters away from the ocean. It's directly facing the road. It also has a water view of the Atlantic, the Atlantic Ocean rather. So you can actually have a very good view of the Atlantic. And I was there when it was on the third floor, and now it has gotten to the 10th floor. And apart from the many benefits that I'm going to list, I would start by saying, first of all, when you're looking at off-plan projects, you want to look at the developer and also you want to look at the builder. And so this developer has been in the real estate game for about a decade, and they have about 1,000 homes across Nigeria that they have delivered. Very massive projects in Ikoyi, Clarence Court in Ikoyi, Sky Villa in Ikoyi, the Rockhampton in Abuja, Grenadine Resorts in Katamkwe Extension, both in Abuja. They have a Beduleki project. So you want to see that these are developers that have delivered something in the past, and BCL is a very top solid builder. And not to preempt, but I'll probably say they are in the Julius Berger or Julius Berger, however you choose to pronounce it. They're in those big leagues, and so that's very important. They are the people that are building, and even before the coastal road started, they were already on that project, and that project, has survived. It has survived the whole razzmatazz of the coastal road, and it also is a beneficiary of it, a major beneficiary. I did a video where I talked about the major beneficiaries, especially in that blue zone, Okunde area, and this is one of the major beneficiaries of the coastal road. By no impute or fault of theirs, they find themselves in a very strategic location. So the builder, location, real estate, the builder, the developer, and the next thing I will be going to is looking at the hospitality slash hotel market in that axis. And so if you look at that blue zone, Okunde, Oniru, VI axis, there are some hotels that are around, we can use as comps. Let's say you invested in a 2-bedroom apartment. I'm going to pricing, but let's just look at it from a mathematical point of view. Now, you invest in real estate for two things. You invest for the yield, that's the year-on-year yield, the rental yield that you get from it. You're making money from it, or you invest for the return. So when you sell it, you build equity and then you sell. So before we talk about the return, if you wanted to sell it, resell the property, let's talk about the yield. That's, what is this property going to give you? So since the property hasn't been completed, let's look at some comps in that area. So you have comps like the 4 Points Sheraton, very nice hotel. I've stayed there. I even took a drone video of it. You'll be seeing it here, and so many both commercial and activity happening. There people want to meet for business, so it's a very good strategic area. Still that same access. So a studio apartment there, which is which has a restaurant. They have a restaurant, lounge, spa, bar, cleaning services, gym, and business facilities. A rate per night will be 392,000. So that's for a 2-bed. So I'm just showing you the comps of if you got a 2-bed in this property, what neighboring properties are already going for market value. And you know, Sheraton 4 Points is one of the major. Anywhere you hear Sheraton, is a global brand. So that's what they charge. And then you have, this is just for the studio, ensuite studio. Then you also have the Eco Hotel, which is around that area, that charges from 266,000 naira per night. This is another comp. Then Lagos Continental. So many Nigerians in the diaspora, when they come back, this is where they like to stay. The Lagos Continental, very good strategic location, also close to this area, and it's going for like 412,000 naira, 702. Then Delboro, you won't believe Delboro that just launched. So the rate per night is about 800,000. Now these figures may slightly be above or below, maybe like probably like a 10-15% margin. So these are what the rates are going for in this axis. And so if you now want to look at maybe the shortlet is becoming more and more of a thing. So this is just to give you an idea of like what the numbers will look like if you invested in a property, if you invested in a unit in this axis, and it's coming with all of the services, which include swimming pool, kids play area, which will more of a family draw. More families want to stay there. Excellent ocean and city views. It is a mixed used, all inclusive development that it's something that you could actually look into. And so if you projected the worst case scenario, which is about like 370,000 naira in that area for all of the amenities that are being offered, I would say a more realistic one would probably be 350, 300. But if you wanted to go with 370, because Eden Heights is going for 327, and you did the calculation at what the purchase price is going for now, the list purchase price, which is about 614 million naira. If you do the math, or if you did the math, you break even on the 12th year just from annual rentals alone, just rentals. Obviously the projection of it, and this is moderately conservative, 100% conservative. And if you also were going for a return, I had a client come in when and I think 2024, yes, and he came in when it was 400,000, 400 million. Yeah, so and in 2 years he's practically flipped that property, because he actually was paying a whole lot of cash at the beginning, and so they gave him a huge discount. So this man has already actually made over 100% of what he put in. So from a return point of view, the most conservative is 12 years. From a rental yield point of view, 12 years. But from a return, if you wanted to, maybe before the finish, you wanted to resell your property, you could probably look at in 2, 3, 4, 5 years exiting with your margin, your profits, your return, your ROI, and what have you. Good views, amazing place, solid developer, good builder, and they are committed to finishing. It's not one of those projects that's being dumped and whatever. I've shown you some of the comps in the area and what the rental yield will look like, and occupancy in that area is always, you're talking about the likes of 4 Points, Sheraton, talking about the likes of Eco Hotel, Eco Atlantic is in that axis. So I think for an investor that's looking forward to put just facing the coastal road, I think you should consider it. So if you are, if it's something that piques your fancy, or if you want to learn more, and if you also want a document that kind of breaks down numbers to you like more clearly, you can reach out to me. I'll send that over to you and we can have a conversation. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this Ownahome TV show here on Ownahome. Believe in the home and in the property shouldn't make you lose sleep. So we're committed to giving you the very best property recommendations and insider real estate gist. Kindly like, kindly share, kindly subscribe. See you at the very next video. Bye bye.